We're going to explain how to whitelist an IP address in your FortiGate firewall. This process allows specific IP addresses to access your network while blocking others, enhancing your security. First, you'll need to log into your FortiGate firewall's web interface. This usually involves accessing your firewall's IP address through a web browser and using your administrative credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Policy and Objects section. 2. Next, find and click on the Addresses option. This is where you'll define the IP address you wish to whitelist. 3. Click the Create New button to add a new address object. 4. Give your new address object a descriptive name, for example, trusted_IP_address. This name helps you easily identify it later. 5. In the address field, enter the IP address you wish to whitelist. You can add a single IP address or a range of IP addresses depending on your needs. For example, you could whitelist 192.168.1100 or a range like 192.168.1100, 192.168.1150. Remember to use the correct notation. 6. Click OK to save the new address object. Now that you've created your address object, it's time to apply it to a firewall policy. 7. Go back to the main Policy and Objects section and select Firewall Policy. You might need to choose the appropriate policy like IPv4 policy, or similar depending on your configuration. 8. Locate the policy you want to modify or create a new one. This usually involves selecting the appropriate interface, for example W1, LAN, source and destination zones. 9. In the policy settings, find the source and/or destination section, depending on whether you want to allow incoming or outgoing traffic from the whitelisted IP. 10. Select your newly created address object, for example, trusted_IP_address, from the drop-down menu. 11. Configure other policy settings such as service, for example, allow HTTP, HTTPS, SSH, and action, for example, accept. 12. Click OK to save the changes. Finally, 13. Remember to log out of the FortiGate's web interface securely after you finish making the changes. Your FortiGate will now allow traffic from the specified IP address based on the policy settings you have configured. Always double-check your configurations before saving to prevent unintentional security breaches. Remember that effective network security is a layered approach. Whitelisting is a powerful tool, but it should be combined with other security measures like intrusion detection/prevention systems and regular security audits for comprehensive protection.